I am recording my exam 3. Now let's begin. So I was given segment 2 on point A, and so to find my DL I did my final point minus my initial point, which is L2 minus L3, and this is how I was able to get my answer right here for DL. And for R I needed to do the R final minus the R initial vectors, and so that's how I did it, and my R vector came out with a negative direction on the X direction and a negative direction in the Y direction. And to calculate the magnetic field of the chosen loop segment, I found the magnitude of the vector R, and I did the cross product of the DL vector and the R vector and divided that by the magnitude and multiplied it by the constants, and that's how I was able to get my magnetic field to equals negative 0.58. And so in order to calculate the magnetic field, we solve for dB with the formula that's current times the segment length of L times the vector R, the magnitude divided by the magnitude of R, and that is also multiplied by the constants. And to calculate the BNet for my assigned location, I put in my values on this program from Canvas. I use this program because it looks trustworthy and my professor gave it to me and it looks about right. So I got these values from the program, and that's how my magnetic field added up to going into a negative Z direction. So in my graph here, the magnetic field goes down towards the negative 6.004, which is the negative Z direction.